Are you looking for professional air duct and dryer vent cleaning services in Ambler? At E-Cleaning Duct and Vent Cleaning, we are committed to enhancing your indoor air quality by removing dirt, allergens, and debris from your air ducts. Our expert team uses advanced tools to ensure cleaner air and better system efficiency. Don't overlook your dryer vent! A blocked dryer vent can pose fire risks and decrease dryer performance. Our dryer vent cleaning service keeps your home safe and your dryer running smoothly. We're fully licensed, insured, and a trusted name in Ambler. With no hidden fees and transparent pricing, we make it easy to schedule your cleaning. Visit our website now to book your air duct or dryer vent cleaning and enjoy a healthier home.